Hey everyone, so we're getting some headway with the shed. I'll show you what's going on with the shed here. Take a look. That's what we got going. Shed's going up. That's nice. Get in here. That'll be the wall there. And then we're gonna have the wall extend up here. That's it. I have a little window there. That's that. So that's the shed. It's getting there. Almost there. Now, it's been raining so much here. We're in Bahal, close to Panglao, probably 20 minutes from Panglao. But yeah, I mean, it's the morning, we wake up in the morning, it's super nice and sunny. And then we start working, and maybe 2 or 3 hours in, it starts pouring. And it pours and it pours and it pours. I've been at this water tank for the last 3 days. So here's what I got in 3 days. Not much done. The tank is there. My line is run all along the edge there. I still haven't connected it to the main yet because what happens is we run out of water during the day and there's no water in the house. So I keep it connected because we need to fill up early in the morning, fill up buckets so we can wash and have water to wash our dishes and everything else as well. So, anyways, that's what that looks like. Hopefully tomorrow we can get the water pump in. I would have liked to have got that today, but as I was doing that, it just poured again. And when it comes down here, you can see, like I showed you the last time, it's a flood here. So we're gonna try this again tomorrow morning. Hopefully I can get the pump in and get the line installed, and then we'll have water in the house. Because once the water goes on at night, it comes on, I think maybe 12, 1 o'clock, the water starts flowing here. And then we should fill up at least that half tank before we run out of water anyways. So hopefully, or maybe it'll fill it up. I don't know yet. Hopefully it's going to fill it up. That would be awesome. Anyway, so that's where we're at, and I'll show you more later. Morning, everyone. Got some updates on the water tank and water pump and on the shed. Shed's almost done too. Walls are up. So yeah, everything's looking good. I'll show you what I did with the water pump here. So there is the water pump. It's in. And these are the lines that I got. That's all the way to the main, that black line. So I got that going there. I got that coming up the side. So I had put a float in there, but I put it in the wrong way. Silly me. So last night at 1 o'clock when the water came on from the city, yeah, it was blocking the water, not allowing it to come in. So anyway, I have to fix that. I'm gonna go get an elbow and put it inside the tank. We'll fix that up. And another problem we have was silly me. I connected the pump and everything, as you can see there. There is it to the tank, but if you if you notice, there's no backflow, and we have a problem because the pump comes on, but the water's flowing back in the tank and can't build up pressure. So just going on and off, on and off, on and off. Silly me, I should know that. I installed irrigation systems. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, it was hot yesterday. I just wanted to get it done after 4 days trying to get this done. So there's the pipe there. We dug the trench. We'll bury that. That's going to the main in the house, and that feeds the house. And here is the shed, guys. Look at the shed, how it's coming. Looks nice. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. So we'll put a roof on. The roof will come down on an angle like this. We'll have a gutter there. And then we're gonna get some landscaping done, so I'll see. I'll get a downspout maybe going this way, and I have one here on the side of the house. Maybe we'll attach the two, get it to go down like that, across, and then over that way into the street drain. I'll see if I could get that done when the landscapers come. So here is the front of the shed. There you go. Inside, looking good. Got a little window just for some daylight. Anyway, that shouldn't be long. They should start plastering the walls, so we're anxious to get all this done. Anxious to get it all done so we can get all finished and then we can start traveling around. We are going to go on some trips. Siquijor, maybe a couple of rides here in Bohol. We have some places still to visit in Bohol, or lots of places still to visit in Bohol I haven't done yet, so we're going to do that. And then we have a trip planned to Vietnam in January, near the end of January. So anyway, we've got a few things going on. We'll take you along with us. Anyway, that's for the updates for now, guys. I'll get back to you later. Afternoon, everybody. Wife's cooking some muffins. I'll show you what they look like. Oh, look at that. Does that look good or what? Can't wait to try one. Muffins are ready, guys. Look at that. Wow, that looks amazing. Good job, my love. So, got an update on the pump. Oh, there's my wife. Kaya Sambuco. Look at that. Two, and it's almost full. Wow, they're big ones, eh? They're the last ones. Okay, so I did the pump finally. Everything's working great. Put a backflow valve and switched it around and got the float working. So yeah, looks good. Looks good. There we are. There's the pump. There's a little backflow valve in there. That's it. It's perfect. Yeah. It's good. Good. I got my setup up top over there with the float inside finally. How are ya? Here's the shed, updates of the shed. That's the pump kicking in. Okay. So, there's the wall, plastered. Plastering the wall there. He's got some plaster over there. It's gonna look good.
Nice.
Gonna look good. Get in there.
Finally, I have my own moringa.
That's it, guys. That's what it's gonna look like. Got a moringa tree growing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks, guys.